If young Metro don't trust you, I'm gon' shoot you. Beautiful morning, yeah, the sun in my morning bed.
Hey guys, today I am really excited for this video. I've got 10 all-pro packs to open. This is my other account. I have 3 on this account and 7 on my main account. I did not buy the bundle. I bought just separate packs. So with all my 3 accounts combined, I bought the packs costed $360,000. So I really want to make these back. Just a few elites. That's all we need. Out of these 10 packs, all I want is maybe 2 or 3 elites. So let's get into this. I'm super excited for these 10 all-pro packs. Let's get the first one right here. Oh my god! First player! Are you kidding me? What? Yes! First card of the opening. What a start. Let's go. Yes. Let's keep going. What a start. We got Giovanni Bernard. Not bad. Our 3rd all-pro pack. We get another Giovanni Bernard. And we get nothing else there. So now I finished those 3 packs. I've got 7 more on my main account. So let's hop onto that one quickly. Let's get on this. So, 7 more packs to go. We've already got an elite. Let's keep going. Ooh, there we get a James Bradbury Football Outsiders. Not bad. And we get the Tyler Lockett kick returner. Not a bad pack. Right there. Here we go. Ooh, we get a Taylor Lewin Football Outside Team of the Week. Pretty good. We are halfway through this pack opening, 1 elite. And let's keep going. We get an RG3 flashback collectible. Let's go. Not bad at all. 83. Oh my god. What a pack. We get a RG3 collectible. 83 Rodney Hudson and a Terrell Suggs. Are you kidding me? What a fire back opening. Oh my god. 4 packs to go. This is unreal. There we get nothing. That was probably our worst pack of the day. 3 packs to go. I couldn't have asked for anything better. Still have 3 packs to go though. Bad pack. 2 packs to go. It's opening. There we get nothing. Julius Thomas. And now we're down to our final pack. After this, we're going to review what we got. Oh, there it is! Let's go! Woo. Look at that. 3 elites. Justin Houston. Oh my god. Can we get double elites? Oh my... Are you serious? This is... Oh my god. Double elite. I have to screenshot. This is the best pack opening of my life. Oh my god. What a pack opening. That is... what a way to end it. Oh my god. So let's see... Look at this. We've got... Yeah, we have the elite on my other account. We have the Patrick Peterson on my other account. These 3 on this account. We got these 2 83s beast cards. And then we got the Tyler Lockett. And we got this cool RG3 flashback collectible. What an amazing pack opening. This is unreal. More pack openings like this in the future. As you know, I haven't gotten good luck this year, but that is an amazing pack opening. We'll see you next time on Madden Beast. I am so excited.